Short video here on skip trowel. I'm using a 6-inch knife, just trying to show people how to do a skip trowel holding the knife. I'm not putting a lot of pressure on the knife, not over leveraging. I'm just barely letting the knife glide over the wall. Not pressing against the wall, I'm just letting it glide up and down the wall. This creates the skip pattern. The mud you use is a regular joint compound mixed up as thick as heavy pancake batter. You're just letting the knife glide over the wall and it creates the skip pattern. You can go every direction. This is up and down skip trowel. Some go side to side, up and down, every which way. So you just want to pick your direction. Multi-directional, up and down, side to side. But this is up and down skip trowel. I'm just doing a quick video so people out there want to learn how to do skip trowel. It is a hand texture. It's not done with a spray hopper or nothing. This is a skip trowel. It's done in most of the newer homes. It's easy texture.